Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be doing something that's real perfect for this time of year, fall and winter. I'm gonna be doing I'm in love with that cocoa. I got it for the hot chocolate, hot cocoa, however you want to flip it. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. Real simple, real easy, real quick. So let's go ahead, get it to going so I can get all nice and cozy with my sweet drink. Okay, so I already, in this little saucepan, this little pot, I put 4 cups of milk. Well, you know what? I don't have to tell you how much I put. It's going to be in the description down below. So if you want to make it, you can make it in the description. Alright? So we're going to put it on, medium. Now we want it to get warm, but we don't want it to boil. No. We don't need that. Okay? Make sure you have your little cute little whiskey poo ready to whisk some stuff up. Let me get my milk to get warm. Okay. Got my milk to get warm. Okay. Now we're gonna add some cocoa powder. We're gonna add the cocoa powder. And if you hear a little voice, that's just my daughter on her little remote learning. You know how that go. I'm doing this, she doing that. Anyway, let's put our cocoa powder in our little milk. Go ahead, get it going. Let me move this way. Let me move this way so y'all can see. We gonna whisk it. We gonna whisk it. And we gonna put it I ain't gonna leave it too long. Okay. Then we're gonna put some sugar, granulated sugar. Oh, right on in there.
Because people like love to people.
Don't take long. Keep it moving. What I did was I took my favorite milk chocolate bar and chopped it up. Look how that look. So use your favorite milk chocolate bar, the one that just tastes so good to you. Use that. It's recommended. And we're gonna add that to the little pool, okay? Keep whisking. I don't want to stay too long gone from the pot, okay? We're gonna whisk. And we're gonna whisk. And we're gonna whisk. And we're gonna take our pure vanilla. You can use vanilla extract if that's all you have, but I'm gonna use pure vanilla. I like it better.
I think it's going to be about this.
And we're gonna coat it right on in the pool. Boom. Come here, y'all, so y'all can see the little hot chocolate. Hi, how y'all doing? There we go. We're gonna whisk it. Believe it or not, folks, we are done with our hot cocoa. So we gonna, it's warmed through, chocolate is melted. So what we gonna do is cut off the fire, grab our little cup, get it all together, serve it up immediately, because who likes cold hot chocolate? Not me. So I'm gonna get my cup and my hot chocolate, and I'll be back in just a second, okay? All right, folks, as you can see, I got my hot cocoa. You can use whipped topping or anything, but I prefer mini marshmallows in mine. Tastes delicious with some grated chocolate over the top. Let me show you. Here you go. Here you go. You want some? Boom. Delicious. Okay, let's taste this. Let's see how we did, folks. Let's see how we did. Don't burn yourself down, please. Extremely chocolatey. I like it. Perfect for the holidays. So please try this. If you live in a cold state, warm state, medium state, just cut up your app. It don't matter. Cut up your app, because it's worth the try. Believe me. Make it seem like it's winter. Cut up your app, put on a blanket, put on your robe, something. But make this hot chocolate. Anyways, until next time, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that bell for those post notifications. Peace.